Hi, welcome to Nexwave Marketing Mobile App tutorial. And in this tutorial, we will go through with you on what Events tab can do. Events tab is an interesting tab. In this tab, it basically allows you to have an event on. You can have a recurring event or a single event. Recurring event meaning you have, let's say, for example, you have a seminar every Friday for the next 4 weeks. So what you can do is you can have a recurring event, and then every time there is an event date that comes up, the mobile apps users, those who have downloaded your mobile app, will actually get a message saying that, oh, the event is going to be on tomorrow or whenever it is. So that we can set here as well. So I'm just going to show you how to add a single event first. So you click on add an event, and then you will see this mobile pop-up comes up, and here you have the event date and time. So for example, let's say I want to set my event to 25th of October, and you have the time. So I want to start it at 9 a.m. right? And then this event ends on the same date, and it ends at let's say it's a 12th, yeah. And then the time zone you can actually select. Make sure you select Singapore and Kuala Lumpur, and so you got that right there sorted out. Then you give the name of the event. So I'm gonna call this event, let's say Christmas party, Christmas company party, for example. What would you put? Christmas? You say Christmas party. And then you keep it active, then you copy paste all your text and all your informations here, and then you come to address, you type in where this address of the event is going to be. So for example, let's say it's going to be here, Singapore, select the country, Singapore, so Singapore, type in the zip code, and then you just click save changes, and your event will basically be there. So you can get updates from the customers and stuff like that when you have this event information here. There's one more thing you need to notice here, that you need to have a mobile header image which is 640 times 264 pixel, and a tablet header which is about 1536 times 634. There will be a download description for you where you can actually download these images right below the tutorial, and you can just download those images and you can browse and you can add them inside. But if you don't know how to do it, then I can just give you a quick view of how it is done. So I'm just going to get a sample image for these two, mobile header and tablet header, and I'm going to open up my Photoshop, and I'm going to create these two images according to the dimensions that they need. So first dimension is 640 times 264 pixel, 640 times 264, and the second one is 1536 times, what is it, 1536 times 634 times 634. So let's do the first, create the first image. I've already opened up my Photoshop, so I'm just gonna go and click on new image. So 640 times 264. So we have the first one ready, 264. The rest of it I'll leave it as it is, and then I'll just save this image. And if you can change the color if you want, I'm just going to keep mine plain. Always save it as a PNG format. So you can go to format and you can go to PNG and you can save it, and then I'll call this as mobile, and then I'll save it. Click OK, and then I'll create my second file, my second image. This image size you're looking at is 1536 times 634. So the width is 1536, height is 634, and then I click OK. Then I click Save as PNG format. Under format, file name, I will call this is for browser. It's for tablet, so we're gonna call this tablet. Click Save. So these two images, we will add the download description right under the video. So in our web page, when you see this video, you will see mobile header download image link and tablet header download image. So you don't have to create this file. If you don't know how to, you just click on download and you can have these images. So you just browse and you just find those images. If it's tablet, you find the tablet, then you come down, then you save, and ta-da, you have created an event. And this is going to be a Christmas event. It's going to happen on the 25th. It's going to happen at 9 a.m. It's going to happen at 12 p.m. So I'll ask you, do you want to crop? You say no, because we have already set the right size for these images. So once you've done that, you can close. And there you go. You have a Christmas party on the 25th of October, the 25th of December 2014 from 9 to 12. And then people can actually see these events. So same thing for a recurring event. If you want to do a recurring event, you just have to create a recurring event, add a new recurring event. Same thing, you type in mobile, you choose your header image for tablet, day of the week, let's say Monday event, it's at 9 in the morning, it's 9 a.m. and then we set it at Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, sales meeting, and keep it active, and then you type in all your information, then you click save, and then this will be a recurring event for you, and you can edit the timing and the feature later on of how you want it to be recurred. So that is how you basically add in events into your event page. And I hope you had some insights on how to add in events, and if you need any other information, please feel free to contact us and we will be more than helpful to assist you. Have a good day and thank you for watching this tutorial.